Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video, we have the 91st flyover of the Nikola site in Coolidge, Arizona. The weather today was cloudy and it had rained a lot earlier. During the night, there was tons and tons of rain. Fortunately, the drainage is still working quite well, and you can see lots of the retention basins are filled with water, but you can also see there's lots of pooling water around the site. You can see my prediction from a couple weeks ago about the site turning green with weeds is now coming true. It's typical out here with no water, not much grows. Throw down a bunch of rain and poof, it turns green in a matter of a couple of days. It's all weeds though. The footings were flooded also, and we are forecast for more rain later today or tomorrow, so draining them out and digging more is not going to work, though you can see the footings have extended further north and some of the holes do have some rebar in them, so there was some progress made before the rain since our last video. Of course, everyone must be wondering about the tent structure. I'm not going to BS you guys and say it looks like anything else except what I think it is. It looks like a presentation booth, a booth large enough for a semi. Obviously, that would mean that something is very close to being unveiled. Of course, I could be wrong, and maybe they're just having a bring your kids to work day and they're going to make popcorn and hot dogs. Those would have to be some pretty tall kids, like semi-height kids, or hey, maybe it's indoor skydiving for them. I don't know. So that's it for today. If you're still into Nikola, as far as the stock goes, buy the dip. If you're not, I'm sure you'll let me know. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this in the future, please subscribe. And if you want to help support this channel through Patreon, please take a look at the link down below in the description. Also, we are on Twitter at Bear's Workshop, so take a look at that. And thank you all of our Patreons. Now, let's go fly.